With all the mud that we're dealing with, and if you have horses and you've been in Oklahoma the last few weeks, you understand that there's a lot of mud. There is the increased risk for hoof abscesses, and I'm going to take this opportunity to show you what to look for in a hoof abscess and then talk with you about how we treat them. Oh, you're a messy mess. This is Rita. Rita's just fine, except that she's very, very pregnant. She is a racehorse that earned $44,000 and then got dumped for slaughter. And when we got her, we learned she was pregnant. So we're about to have a bonus rescue. But this is the one, Diva. We call her Diva because she's so beautiful. She's pretty sassy. She's the one with the hoof abscess. And I know, baby. See how her foot is shaking because it just hurts to put pressure on it. Oh. Last night I treated it with some drawing salve, wrapped it up in a diaper and stuck it in her boot. And we're waiting for the vet to come. But I learned of her abscess because one of our vigilant volunteers noticed that she was walking funny. And if she'll move for me, I hate to make her move, but you'll see what a horse does when it's trying to protect an injury. Up, up, up. I mean, it's obvious that her hoof is hurting her very badly, and you can tell which one. That's very obvious. But when it first starts out, it's not quite so obvious. Their gait just changes. They start throwing their head up, and you can tell that they're trying to keep pressure off. So just, it's easiest to remember that when the pain is up, the head goes up. When there's no pain, the head goes down. So they throw their head up to try to pull the weight off of the injury. And then the head goes back down when they're comfortable on that leg. So again, this is exaggerated, but just watch for this when you're thinking about muddy conditions and the possibility of abscesses, which is pretty prevalent this time of year for us. We usually have at least one abscess. It's really important to give horses a nice dry place to stand so that they can take a break from the mud and dry out their feet so that they can avoid abscesses.